Okay. So previously, my last video was how the web page works, and I'm sure a lot of you will be like, okay, oh, I'm scared of coding and stuff like that. But though I won't advise anybody to be scared, but it takes determination, perseverance, and commitment to be able to sail through in every web development or in every career that you choose to pursue. Well, that you choose to pursue. So now, you might be thinking, okay, coding is a bit difficult, especially I got a lot of people that are giving up on JavaScript. My bro, don't be scared. It takes commitment, it takes dedication, it takes perseverance to sail through. No good thing comes easy, I bet you. So now I'm going to be showing you different ways by which you could build a web page easily and seamlessly if you don't want to make use of programming language. Though you actually need a bit of programming language there in those stuffs, but you could actually make good different types of website. So the first one I'll be talking about is Wix. I'm sure a lot of people don't know Wix, but you can actually create a web page for your business with easily like that without stressing yourself that much with Wix. I have a website. I actually started my web development stuff with Wix, and Wix is a very nice stuff. Sorry, I will call it a content management software, or let me call it the content management software, please. So it allows you to build a web page using drag and drop. Yeah, you could actually drag and drop it just the same way you make use of Microsoft Word and stuff like that and PowerPoint. It's almost similar, but one thing is paramount. You have to have an idea of how the web page works and what you intend on building. But though if you don't have any idea on what you intend on building, there are a lot of templates that you could actually make use of, that you could actually do, and it's going to import itself. Then you edit it within a few minutes. Within a few minutes, your website's already up. Though you could actually, if you don't like to go through the stress, we got you. You can pay money and we will do it for you, sha. But the main part of this video is to teach you how you can build it on your own. Yeah, because a lot of people have different and in different industries and will not want to go through the stress of learning though. But if you want to go through the stress of learning, it's not really a stress, it's an investment, not a stress though. So now you could actually log in and make use of the login, input your email and your password, then then create your own you start creating your own web page. So I won't want to go into that. Number one is Wix. So I'll be sending my own the link to get the Wix. I will drop it on the description below, so you could actually tap into the ministry, sign up on Wix, then continue with the process. So in case you don't understand what I talk, I mean say man summarize in pidgin English. You feel your go Wix. So I will drop the description for the comments description below, the link for the description below. So if you just go there, just click on the link, then it will carry you go Wix website, then you sign up. Then if you just a drag and drop down, no hard at all. If you just a drag and drop, because within few minutes you already your website all set, you grab. So that's number one. So the second stage, you could actually make use of I actually made some of my videos in pidgin English, because we relate more with pidgin English than English. So the video that I'm sure pidgin English is almost English, so please just bear with us. So second one, I'll be talking about Joomla. A lot of people are just I talked about building full stack web page, but you could actually create full stack web page with Joomla. Yes, full stack web page with Joomla. Joomla is a content management system that allows you to build full stack web page. So all you need to do for you to start with Joomla is either you get a host. I'm on Joomla's website though. I'm on Joomla's website. All you need to do to start a web page with Joomla is either to have something like a XAMPP, a local server. You can actually have XAMPP, WAMP or AMP, Then you install Joomla on your XAMPP. I'll actually be creating videos gradually on all these things. You install Joomla on your XAMPP, then you run it, then you can actually build it off the internet. But if you want to build it on the internet, you could actually get a hosting. You get buy a domain name, get a hosting, then you host it on host Joomla on your site, so it will be live. So you could actually build it while it is live. But if you build it on your local server, that's you're hosting it yourself, you have to export it and host it yourself on completion of the development process offline. That's Joomla. So aside Joomla, you have Strikingly. I hope I remember this because I used this some years ago. Strikingly is still working. Woo! So I built some web pages with Strikingly in the past, and it was lovely. So my email is still there, but this, you can actually contact me in case you have any updates. I'm up for updates. That's my email address. May we not be left behind. So that's my email address though. So in case you have any updates, please. So you can actually create a web page with Strikingly in few minutes. Within few minutes, you can actually have a web page for your business or something like that. And you want just a simple web page for your business, you can actually create it with Strikingly. I will drop a link of everything in the description below, so you can actually go down there and tap into the ministry. Strikingly is the third one. So you sign up, it takes you in, then so I'll be giving videos on all these things gradually with time. So if there's anyone you have started and you have issues with, please, you can actually type it in the comment section, so I'll be able to lay emphasis on those videos. So the third one is Strikingly. I'll be talking about the next one, which is almighty WordPress. There's supposed to be an accolade for WordPress, because WordPress is a content management software. Hola, another one is out, but I'll come back to that. Okay, let me save WordPress for the last. Now the next one is Squarespace. Let me talk about Squarespace. You can actually create a blog with Squarespace, and it's just as simple as that. All is just a drag and drop family. They are just drag and drop family, and they could actually give you very, very nice web pages within few minutes. Within few minutes. Now if you're thinking about creating a blog and you don't want to go through the stress, I think you can use blog site or blog let me see, you can actually use I can't remember that, but now after Squarespace we are going to go to WordPress. WordPress is the father of the blog people, though I'm sure a lot of people just look at WordPress as a child's play and stuff like that, but man, fuck it. WordPress is just like a very, very hidden superpower that a lot of people are here to discover. A lot of people are here to harness through the power of WordPress. If you know how to use WordPress very well, you will be discouraged to go to programming, because, but I'm not advising anybody to lose interest in programming, because you can't compare the two though. But let me come back to WordPress. So you can actually create anything with WordPress. Any fucking, sorry, I'll put a block on that. Just imagine, let's assume we not hear that. Anything with on WordPress, anything on WordPress, you would actually build anything on WordPress. Be it an e-commerce website, be it a multi-vendor e-commerce website, be it a business website, be it a blog, be it a church website, be it a dating website, be it a social media website. You can actually create anything on WordPress. Anything with just the drag and drop. You have to make use of the page builder, Gutenberg, Breezy, or Elementor, whichever one of them. They make use of the nice plugins that suits into your destiny. You have to know the right plugins to use. That's very, very important. A lot of people are just good at making the front page of every WordPress website, but there are a lot of functional things in WordPress. Functional. I'm laying emphasis on WordPress because I so love WordPress so much. I still love WordPress so much. Get so I have already discovered a lot of stuff in WordPress. So if you are ever thinking of creating a WordPress, let me go back to how you can use WordPress. You can actually use WordPress in by hosting it on your local server, or you can actually use WordPress by hosting it on on a hosting company. You buy your domain, you host it. You buy a domain, don't just buy a domain and a hosting plan, then you host it there, then you can actually start building. Or you have a local server like WAMP, XAMPP, AMP, whichever one suits your PC, because as they go like this now, PC with the know the kind local server they use. But if you're using a very good PC, I mean a good laptop, you can actually use anyone depending on your we're talking about website, your laptop's compatibility. So I think that's another side thing that needs to be compared, that needs to be taken into consideration when installing any of these softwares. So with this few points of mine, I hope I've been able to show you how you can be able to create interesting web pages with just drag and drop in few minutes. So please, if you have any question, you can actually chat me up via WhatsApp in the comment section on this via WhatsApp. My number will be down on the comment section. Please just make use of it and let's meet there. Then if you have any other video you want me to drop, please just let me know, so I'll create the video and drop. Please do well to subscribe and like this video so you can help the ministry, and also do well to also switch and click on the notification bell, so that anytime I post nice videos like this, you'll be able to get the notification and clicking to the ministry of learning. Yeah, we're all learning together. Nobody's an island of knowledge. You have any correction on my video, please let me know. I'm willing and I'm willing to take into the corrections so I can improve better, because learning is a continual process. No boss for this ministry. If you're a boss today, you see another boss tomorrow and stuff like that. So please, and please do well to subscribe. I beg, encourage the men of God. So thank you very much for watching. So hook up for the next video. I'll be posting a lot of videos, and I already dropped a video. I'm dropping another video on HTML, how to create websites with HTML. Well, that's the HTML side of the web development side. I'm sure a lot of you would have been waiting for this video. Yeah. But this video is out, and I'm going to make it very user friendly, beginner friendly, and I'm going to be mixing it with pidgin English, because if I say as they go like this, pidgin English, the entire person brain will quick and resonate with pidgin English, past English language. So I'll be mixing it with English this thing, you get. Because this Agbado season, English self they get hold of. Well, for those of us watching it from outside the country, I hope you've been able to make use of the English side, and that's more important, to make use of the knowledge, and we just have to make it cruise so that it won't be boring. Because learning, if there is no fun in the learning process, it's just boring. Everybody will just be serious. I don't know how you see it, but I don't like being so serious. I like adding a little bit of fun in the learning process. So thank you very much, and see you in my next video.